Get ready to meet the Bentley Mulliner Bacalar, a car that blends luxury, performance, and exclusivity like never before. This two-seat drop-top roadster takes Bentley's craftsmanship to the next level, offering not just a driving experience, but a statement of sophistication and style. The Bacalar is one of Bentley's rarest creations, with only 12 units ever made, making it a true collector's dream. But it's not just about rarity. The Bacalar's performance, technology, and design will leave you in awe. Under the hood, the Bentley Mulliner Bacalar boasts a 6.0-liter W12 engine that churns out a staggering 650 horsepower and 667 pound-feet of torque. This power allows the Bacalar to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, with a top speed that pushes well beyond 200 miles per hour. Despite its incredible performance, the Bacalar manages to balance power with efficiency, offering an impressive fuel efficiency of 15 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway. It's an engineering marvel that combines raw power with refined elegance. The transmission system is equally advanced, with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox that delivers seamless gear shifts. Advanced features like paddle shifters and multi-drive modes enhance the driving experience, giving you full control whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through tight corners. The drivetrain is all-wheel drive, ensuring stability and traction even when the road conditions aren't perfect. When it comes to suspension, the Bacalar features a state-of-the-art adaptive air suspension system that adjusts based on the driving conditions. This provides a smooth and comfortable ride whether you're on city streets or winding mountain roads. Coupled with its advanced braking system, including carbon ceramic discs and dynamic torque vectoring, the Bacalar offers precise and responsive stopping power, ensuring safety without compromising performance. The 22-inch rims are crafted from lightweight forged alloy, paired with high-performance tires designed to handle a variety of terrains. These wheels not only enhance the car's appearance, but also improve its handling, giving you the confidence to take on any road with ease. The exterior design of the Bacalar is pure Bentley, with sleek lines, a sculpted body, and stunning attention to detail. The distinctive LED headlights and taillights give the car a powerful presence, while the aerodynamic design ensures the Bacalar cuts through the air effortlessly. The car's drop-top configuration allows you to enjoy the open road, and the luxurious interior, finished with exclusive materials like natural wood veneers and leather, promises comfort and elegance at every turn. The Bentley Mulliner Bacalar is not just a car, it's an experience, a masterpiece that blends speed, luxury, and craftsmanship in perfect harmony.